We'll guide you through how to add text in Inkscape, making your designs more vibrant and informative. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's up and running, you'll see a canvas ready for your creative input. Look at the left-hand toolbar and find the Create and Edit Text Objects tool, which looks like a big A click on this tool to activate it. Now click anywhere on your canvas where you want to add text. A blinking cursor will appear indicating that you can start typing. Go ahead and type in your desired text. You can type as much or as little as you want. Now, if you want to change the font, look up at the top of the screen. You'll see a toolbar with a drop-down menu labeled Font Family. Click this to select from a variety of fonts. You can preview each font by selecting it, and your text will immediately update to show the change. Next to that, you'll find options to adjust the font size, style, and alignment, so feel free to play around with these settings to get the perfect look. If you want to change the color of your text, select the text box you just created, then go to the Fill and Stroke panel on the right. Under the Fill tab, click the color box to open a color palette and choose your desired color. Your text will change color instantly. Remember, you can always move your text around the canvas by selecting the Select and Transform Objects tool, which looks like a black arrow at the top of the toolbar. Just click and drag your text to reposition it. With these tools, you can easily customize your text to fit your design needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.